So I thought to connect back with you guys by sharing this. Just know I miss you guys. I miss the food, the culture. And I am currently in Uganda, Kampala. I am exploring. Make sure to check other vlogs, guys, of mine here in Kampala, because you don't know, maybe one day you will find yourself maybe in any part of East Africa. I used to see a lot of Indians outside here, guys, but most of them used to be from north and south, if I'm not wrong. But I've never met any Khasi person here in Uganda so far, and that is not a problem. We'll be connected. We are still connected, in touch through social media, guys. So just let me know, guys, what do you want to watch and what kind of video that I should do for you, because I'm now exploring Africa and the life is just amazing here, guys. Yeah.